Hey girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. As always, super excited to be with you right now doing math. Math is awesome because it's all about problem solving and figuring things out. And that can be frustrating at times, but when you get there, it's very, very worthwhile and satisfying. So that's why I like it. I like to figure stuff out. And honestly, boys and girls, most of life is just trying to figure stuff out, right? So here we are trying to figure it out. So what I want to start with is yesterday's problem. I'm going to go over those real quick. We had Vivian and Sophia. Did you all get 16? Did you all see that you had two people who each ate 8 cupcakes and got a total of 16 cupcakes? So you might have done it like equal groups, okay? Either writing in 8 or actually putting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you might have done a number line. You might have done an array, right? Here's the number of cupcakes that Vivian got, the number of cupcakes that Sophia got. However you do it, you're going to get 16. 8 plus 8, it's a doubles fact, gives you 16. Okay, so there we are multiplying. Two people who each ate 8 cupcakes, ate a total of 16 cupcakes. All right, this one I think is more challenging. I did share with you that you could write, that would be helpful to you maybe to put down, so I'm looking for a good marker here. 1 pack of gum is 5 pieces. She bought a total of 35 pieces of gum. Okay, so how many packs is that? Well, let's see. If another pack, okay, 2 packs gives us, here, let's make a little chart here. So one pack gives us 5, 2 packs gives us 10. Let's see, 3 packs gives us 15 pieces. We're not to 35 yet. Another pack, that gives us 20 pieces. Okay, and then another pack gives us 25 pieces. So we have 5 packs with 5, where let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we're not there, we're not to 35 yet. Let's do another pack of 5. So that's 6 packs. Gives us 30. We're almost there, boys and girls. Let's see, 1 more pack gets us to 35. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs of gum with 5 in each pack would give us, so 7 packs of 5 gives us 35. Okay, so we didn't know how many packs there would be, but this is one way we could have done it. All right, you could have used a number line. Let me flip it over. If you did a number line, then it would be more like, you know that you have to end up at 35, right? And you have to jump by 5s, right? Until you get, how many 5s would get you to 35? So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So that also work. The number line could also work. Okay, but your equation is going to be 35 divided by 5 equals 7. That gives you your answer. You could have also thought of it as a multiplication problem, as some number of packs times 5 equals 35, and then your answer would have been 7. So remember, there's 2 ways of looking at division problems. You can think of them as division or multiplication. Okay, so today's word problem, there's 1 word problem that I want you to do, and I want you to play the games that you've been playing the last couple days. Okay, so 1 word problem and 2 games. So I'm going to read you the word problem, and you are going to solve it. It says, you are having a birthday party. You buy 4 pizzas. That's an easy thing to draw, big circles, right? If each pizza is divided into 8 slices, Because like usually when you get a pizza, it's like already cut up for you, and it usually comes in eights, right? There's 8 pieces there. Then how many slices did you buy altogether? So you are having a birthday party. You buy 4 pizzas. If each pizza is divided into 8 slices, then how many slices did you buy altogether? Okay, so draw your picture and use your write your number sentence to solve the problem. You are also going to play over and under, okay, which I showed you on Monday. If you forgot how to play, go back to Monday's video and watch that again. And here's your recording sheet, okay? This should be in your dry erase sleeve, right? And you need your marker and your dice, okay, just like we played it. And I also want you to play roll and split, which I taught you how to play yesterday. Okay, so do that one time. Maybe do that one time. Just do it one time through. It's fine. Okay, and again, that should also be in your dry erase. If you forget how to play, go back to the video from yesterday and you can review how to play that game. So 1 word problem and 2 games, and that is your math for today. All right, boys and girls, great job. Keep it up. Be kind. Be good. Enjoy math. And I'll see you very soon. All right, bye-bye.